Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make the bandolier at home following my PDF. Trace the shapes on the leather. I use a bag leather for holster and pouches, then crop. Now the color phase. Several steps are required for the final color. Now I start sewing the first piece. For some pouches, I use the hammer to help me with the folds. Now is the turn of the holster. The most difficult part is sewing the wooden dowel on the profile of the holster. Here are all the pieces sewn in detail. After the pouches, we move on to the belt and the bandolier. Cut the two layers and dye the edge of the underlying. We support the shapes for a right proportion and start sewing the loops. Then we burnish the metal piece of JJ Industries. We paste and place again after pasting the sling clip. Here are some close-ups. I show you the sequence of the belt and the bandolier. Now I will show you the elastic part on the back of the bandolier and their correct positions. Now let's go and glue the case for the holder. When the glue has dried, put the holder in the case and then cut out the excess part. Finally, pass a good shoe wax to color your case. Enjoy!